Hi guys, this video will show you 4 best tricks when using VMware software, which you should know to use VMware software effectively. First, how to edit, reset, and clean the virtual machine junk. When you have installed a virtual machine but want to change the configuration of the virtual machine, you can click Select on Edit Virtual Machine Settings to change those settings. Here, you can change the RAM of the virtual machine by resetting the memory, then changing the multiplication of the stream, adding the hard drive, etc., and other items you can change, and then select OK, and the virtual machine will be reset. It's a virtual machine reset. To clean up the trash on a virtual machine, you select the hard disk, then select the compact, wait for the virtual machine to clean up the garbage, and the virtual machines have been cleaned. The second is how to install the VMware tool to update the driver, switching between virtual and real machines. When you install a virtual machine, it's the same as if you installed a window on a real machine. When you have installed and updated the driver for your computer, the virtual machine will also update the driver, and you will need to install the VMware tool. For example, if you don't have the VMware tool installed and you want to transfer files from the real machine to the virtual machine, you won't be able to do so directly. To be able to transfer files or folders as well as update drivers for virtual machines to the selected item, etc., click on the Install VMware tool of the Manage item. The virtual machine will see a message, you click on it, then select Run Setup.exe to install the VMware tool. Show the option you chose, Yes, and let the virtual machine load. After displaying the installation window, you choose Next, and then Install to install. Wait for the setup, you select the Finish to finish. After installing the restart request, select Yes to restart the update machine and install the virtual machine driver. After restarting, you have updated the driver for the virtual machine, and you can now transfer folder files from the real machine to the virtual computer in the same way as you can transfer files or folders from one drive to another. Third, how to connect networks and devices to virtual machines. To connect or disconnect networks as well as to connect external devices to virtual machines such as DVDs or USBs, you click on And etc., then select Removable Device. You will see settings such as Network Connection and USB. You can connect or disconnect by selecting the item to select and selecting Disconnect or Connect. If connected, it will display a tick; if not connected, it will not be displayed. When you change, the connection in the virtual machine will change as well. Fourth, make a copy of the virtual machine. Once you've set up a virtual machine with all the necessary features, if you created a copy when you were faulty or want to return to the original setup, simply reselect the original one, and it will return to a faultless version. There is no need to reinstall the virtual machine. To create a copy of a virtual machine, you turn off the virtual machine that has been configured. Then click on And, etc., and then select a snapshot. You can quickly create it by selecting Take Snapshot, and see the details of creating or deleting versions by choosing Snapshot Manage. Like this, I've created 3 snapshots. To create a snapshot, you choose the installed version to create and then choose Take Snapshot, and then it will appear on the tab for you to enter the name of the snapshot version. You can leave the default name or change it, and then select Take Snapshot to create a copy like the previous one. When you want to delete that version, just select the version of the snapshot you want, then select Delete. A notification will appear. If you're sure you want that version to be deleted, then you can choose Yes, and the machine will delete the version. On top of that are the utility tricks you should know when using VMware. If you see or like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos.